When it gets cold, some guys don't like sleeping alone. So they look for any woman that's available within their postcode or zone. One guy said it's getting colder. He doesn't want to get frostbite. If no woman is available and ready in the area, he's going to go on a porn site. We know it's cold, but we turn to prayer to keep warm. We know it's available and accessible, but we don't want to use porn. Prayer is our insulation against the cold winds of temptation. It doesn't matter your city or town. Prayer works in every nation. Prayer adds wood to our fire to keep our fire going. Without prayer, we may slip back to our old ways, and it could happen without even knowing. We want to pray and we love to pray. We want to stay a bright flame. We are human, we have urges, but prayer can help us be tame. See you tonight, brothers. Bring your wood and add it as we gather around the holy fire. We all need warmth and the comfort that only God can give. We all have sexual desires. On a closing note, I need to mention this. Brothers, I understand the bed is cold. You want a woman to hold, but getting someone from the club, the street, or wherever is not the solution though. Trust God to lead you to your wife. Get married instead. Doesn't it feel strange having all these different women in your bed? Doesn't it feel awkward having all these women in your head? It's not good for a man to be alone. I know that's what the Bible said. But the Bible also says marriage is honorable, the bed kept pure. It is written very clearly. The Bible also says enjoy the wife of your youth. So it's not wrong to get married early. So all this chopping and changing women, hiring and firing, choosing and excusing, it's not life. I think deep down you actually want intimacy. I think you desire a wife. Trust God to lead you to her. Date, wait, and marry right. Because when you do it God's way, the bed stays warm every night. Someone saying, yo, Ike, what about you? Why are you wearing a big scarf that's blue? I'm not married, but hopefully one day I'll be saying I do. I think, I hope, I pray, I believe someday. I'm sure there's at least one woman in this world who won't mind getting married to Ike. Well, I know one lady. Her name is, should I say? Let me not talk too much before I talk too much. Let me not talk too much. All right. Have a nice day.